Where are the trees that were standing? Where are the leaves that were rustling? Where are the birds that were chirping? They have passed like the good times, leaving behind sadness and sorrow, desolation like the aftermath of a tornado, destruction alike to that of its tsunami, wreckage similar to that of an earthquake. But this was no act of God. This was the work of men. Men who had sworn to protect the land. Men who had signed up to defend the people. But they turned against us, bought for a few rupees a month. They betrayed the people. Not a single one of them stopped to fight for what is true. No. Blindly, they carried out the orders of the dictator. The dictator who wants his name on an opening plate. The dictator who knows that his days of power are counted. A legacy he wants to leave. But his legacy is nothing else but destruction and desolation. In the hearts of the people, he will always be known as the man who destroyed, the man who took away this beauty from us, as the man who forced our armed forces to act against the people. Shame will be on him for the rest of his life. On him and on all who contributed to this destruction. From his minions in power, through his subordinates, to the man who wielded the axes and carried the carcasses away. Shame on them for the rest of their lives. May they all remember that this was their doing, and that destruction once wrought cannot be taken away. Let them carry this guilt to their tombs, and let them never find rest. So be it.